Hello, I'm Joe, and today we're going to go over how to check and add oil to your Thermo King Reefer unit. So let's climb up on the deck plate and go over this. So you're going to start with opening up your doors here, and pretty much for video purpose, we're going to pull the door off. All right, your oil dipstick on your reefer is this lower yellow knot cap right here. Get yourself a rag, paper towel, something. Try to be on a flat surface as well. Pull it off. See the lines? That's very low. Need to add safe, full. Put it back in, screw it down in. Take it back out here and put our rag. We are just below the full line, safe. You are good for the purpose. We can add oil, which you can do right through that one, or you can add it through this upper one. This one's just easier. So you take it out, set to the side, safe spot, grab your oil jug. Which you're going to use 1030 typically. You can get truck stop Love's. You can use Love's brand or French whatever they have for diesel oil. Take the cap off, and you're just going to pour a little bit in there. Try not to make a mess. Did fairly well. And till this reads full when you're done. When you pour a little bit at a time. These don't hold a lot, but I'll take it out. Again, you'll check it. See. Give it a wipe. Put it back in. Take it back out. Look at it, make sure it's at the line, and you're good. Again, flat surface. Angles, it's going to throw it all off. Clean it up, give a good wipe so it doesn't look like it's leaking. Wipe your hands off, clean your hands, you're good to go. Purpose, you might have to add oil. Sometimes a reefer, it depends, got a seal starting to leak or something, or it's starting to use oil. You may have to add it here and there, or it might throw an alarm for low oil pressure or oil level that could be caused by this. But yeah, if any other videos you want, let us know, and check out our YouTube for other how-tos.